Welcome to my fish room.
Okay, so we got her up on the stand. We put the trim on. Just put, a few dabs of silicone around to hold the trim. Don't get too carried away because, well, it's going to sit on it. It's not going to fall off. Okay, hold the camera.
You're short.
And very few people 6 feet tall ever get told they're short. Aaron,
What?
what are you emailing me?
Nothing. My phone's on my hand.
Oh. I thought I saw your phone in your hand.
You want a small step ladder instead?
Yeah, if you have one. Do you have light?
Flashlight?
Light, yeah, so I can see
Hey, where'd the flashlight go?
Oh, here it is.
The big one. Oh, you got it? Okay.
How far into the corner are you going?
That far.
Hmm?
That far.
I can't see. Oh, you go around the corner.
Yeah. Well, you see that way, that's the width.
How far?
The way to the glass.
What's that there?
So this is 2.5 weeks into the frozen shoulder.
Doc say how long that lasts?
The first time I was there, he said 6 weeks, but I might be a fast healer because he's known me for 20 years. Like, aside from the one doctor that actually dated, I've seen him more than I've seen any other doctor in my life. But I prefer the chiropractor to a regular doctor. You go in, you're done, you're out. Because most of the things I do to myself are like torn this, pulled that, crushed that. Slab ice falls off the roof and pins me under a big chunk of ice. Luckily I threw the axe as far as I could. But I'm starting to use my right arm a bit. It just hurts. Ouch!
You gotta do this corner.
What?
It's hard to do with one hand.
It's hard to do it what? It's hard to do it with one hand? Speaking to your father who has one hand?
And the Leatherman.
Well, I'm done with 11. When?
I've also got a camera in my hand that I have to maneuver and aim and focus.
You had that corner done?
Nope.
You gave up on it?
Yep.
It defeated you?
Yep.
I tell everybody you're the best son, most talented son ever. You saying I'm not correct?
Didn't say that.
Aaron, pick the camera up here in my way. Okay, don't stick the blade in that way.
Yeah.
Well, if you stick it in that way, you might split the seam.
And then you'd have to fix too.
Yeah.
And it's not like you can flip it around so that that's suddenly the back.
No, that can never be the back, son.
There's no overflow.
Oh, this is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt. Too bad I'm not ambidextrous.
That'd be cool.
Well, what's the opposite of Dexter? Your mom's one.
Lefty?
Yeah, and what did lefties used to be called?
I don't know.
Sinister.
Really?
Yeah. Well, that's why the TV show Dexter, that's what I think the reason they call it Dexter, because it's the opposite of sinister. And he's like a serial killer, which is kind of sinister.
Yeah, maybe.
Especially if he's trying to kill you. Hey, so you get all the old silicone off?
I saw a meme this morning that said it was the picture of Walt and Jesse, and it said, "Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it ended better than Dexter."
Oh, it had a good ending. I liked Breaking Bad's ending. Especially when Jesse got to choke that guy.
I liked Walt's invention, the gun in the trunk.
Oh yeah, that was good. Okay. Shop vac, vacuum all that stuff up.
Okay, bye-bye.